Hey guys, we have 40 divided 8 minus 3 times 2, right? 40 divided by 8, right? So 40 divided by 8 equals 5, right? Now 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 times 2. Now 5 minus 3 equals 2 and times 2. This 2. Now 2 times 2 equals 4. This gives us 4, but this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Parentheses must be done before division. Now let's solve it correctly. 40 divided 8 minus 3 equals 5, right? Times 2. Now division first. 40 divided by 5 equals 8 times 2. Now 8 times 2 equals 16.